hoping I could get my student discount for today. And shucks.
Nakalagay kasi dito mo, 2020.
Hindi po eh. Kung minamalas ka nga naman, mali pa yung reg form na dala ko. Ano ba naman? Come with me as I buy my iPad for today using my student discount. Wow, student! Ayan. Nandito na kami sa SM Marilao, going to Power Mac. Excited na ako. Dala ko yung ID ko and yung reg form. Kasi sinabi dun sa Power Mac sa SM North EDSA, kailangan daw ng reg form. Let's go! Check lang natin yung difference ng iPad Pro at saka ng iPad Air para makita natin talaga kung ano yung bibilhin ko for today.
Well, in essence, ang difference nilang dalawa is yung chip and yung display nila. What made me decide to go for the Pro? Dahil ang iPad for me is a device na matagalan mo talaga siyang gagamitin. Yung previous iPad ko, I've used that for 5 years. Therefore, I'd rather go for the chip na pinaka-latest ngayon para after 5 years ulit ako magpapalit or more.
I think we'll go for the Pro one this time. Big Wi-Fi. Yan yung original price niya.
At ito naman yung price niya kapag may student discount.
I'll be using my student discount as well. Dala ko yung reg form ko and yung ID. Yes.
At this point, sobrang confident na confident ko. Pinakita ko, sabi ko, dala ko yung ID ko, reg form, nagtitingin-tingin pa ako niyan, confident pa. Sobrang excited na excited ako, and to tell you honestly, naka-straight siya sa card, pero niloan ko siya ng 24 months with 0.49 interest. Yes. Napakababa sa BPI kasi nga naka-discount na ako, di ba? Ang amazing. Everything was going well until...
Shucks.
While they were inspecting my documents, I realized...
Hindi po eh. Kaya nga po, second term po kasi yung nadala ko kung So, wait lang. Kung minamalas ka nga naman, mali pa yung reg form na dala ko. Ano ba naman? Saan ba ako? Okay. Here. Okay, tingnan natin. Sabihin, sir? Sir?
So at this point, pinakita ko sa kanila ang aking SERP account. Doon nakalaman ang aking schedule, school year enrolled, tinarin yung grades ko, my dear. Kinakabahan ako. But fortunately, tinanggap nila. I'm so happy. Thank you, finally. Sige po. That's me celebrating. Thank you talaga. Buti na lang. After filling up the forms, waivers that they're gonna get my information, and paying up with my BPI credit card, eto na siya!
It's here. Nandito na siya in the flesh. With the student discount and everything. Mag-set pa po tayo. Sige,
And so nag-set up kami, bumili ako ng case and tempered glass, and...
We're going na! Mission accomplished! Thank you, Power Mac Center and BPI. Thank you!